unit or some other type of supervisory program with zero tolerance.
I'm sorry, Bria Butler.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right, the court
And
is
just like
calling
that,
2024
court is in
CR
session. Listen closely. From
4982.
this moment, every
State
word
versus
counts.
Bria Butler.
The
Could I have
judge is
parties
setting the
announced for the
legal
record?
stage,
Jason
and
Garrett
what
for the
might
state, Your
sound
Honor.
routine
That's
now
for the
will
defense.
soon
And are you Ms.
spiral
Butler?
into a
Yes, ma'am. Did you
life-changing
review the
judgment.
document entitled
This
Motion to
isn't
Enter
small talk.
Adjudication of Guilt
It's
and
the
Revoke
cone
Community
before the
Supervision
legal
and First
storm.
Amendment? The court is calling 2024 CR 4982. State versus Bria Butler. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Jason Garrett for the state, Your Honor.
Patrick Clowns for the defense.
And are you Ms. Butler?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and First Amendment Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney, and did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Bria Butler who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 4982 for the offense of forgery of a financial instrument on February 12th, 2025 for a period of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violating condition number one, on or about the on or about this 22nd day of May, 2025 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Bria Butler, committed the offense of possession of a controlled substance, plea group one, in violation of condition number one.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
I'm sorry, was that true?
True.
Thank you, ma'am. We'll waive the remaining violated condition, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Right, Your Honor.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number one, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number one?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number one true. Is there a proposed agreement?
No, Your Honor, it's unagreed.
All right, state, what are you requesting?
The state is requesting adjudication of guilt and revoke her community supervision for 18 months in the state jail facility. One part of the agreement, we are taking into consideration the possession case she just pled to, which is JN 7143967. And we're also taking into considerations a county court at two case 2025 CC 011626, which is a failure to ID, Your Honor.
All right, in defense, what are you requesting? Oh,
Your
you
Honor.
can't sign it.
Well, this is the
Okay.
Your Honor, we're requesting that you continue her on probation, to deny the motion, and to follow the recommendation by probation to send her into the MIC unit or some other type of supervisory program with zero tolerance.
I really don't normally do zero tolerance in this.
And there it is, the judge's breaking point. When she says, "What have you done?" it's more than a question. It's a test of accountability. This is where defendants either earn the court's trust or lose it completely. You can almost feel the tension rise as Bria starts explaining her side.
Court, because being on probation, you're supposed to follow the rules. So my question for you, or maybe for her, what have you done? Because you've been on probation since February. What have you done? Have you completed? You want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Bria Butler.
What have you done?
I went to the 60 days NA or AA online virtual visits. I reported twice.
All right, so that didn't work because you're here for a possession of controlled substance. What was that controlled substance?
Methamphetamines.
All right. So we know that doing the 60 days didn't work because you have a possession of meth. And how far along are you in your pregnancy?
7 months.
All right. So what that means is you're doing drugs.
No, ma'am, I wasn't.
Who did the meth belong to?
DeAndre Hartley. I have an affidavit that they brought in. It wasn't mine. I did stay at the scene when the cops came. My car, I just bought it. It was broke down, and I was at my mom's house. And cops pulled up, and when they pulled up, they my friend ran off and they immediately put me in handcuffs and searched the car.
So let me just tell you right now,
And
the only way you're going to be continued on probation if you go into inpatient treatment. We're not doing this zero tolerance thing. So she can either go into inpatient treatment, and because you're pregnant, they will accept you at SafeP. But they're not going to accept you at any of the programs because of how far along you are in your pregnancy. So you can either do that or you can do the 18 months.
okay. Thank you. Can I take my baby with me?
Heartbreaking moment right here. You can hear the crack in her voice. She's not just fighting for freedom, she's fighting for her child. But remember, this is a state facility. The system doesn't bend easily. What would you do in her place? Take the treatment or risk losing everything?
No, what ends up happening when you are at SafeP, because it's at the prison, when you're at SafeP and you deliver your baby, someone needs to be there to accept custody of your child. Otherwise, Child Protective Services will be picking up your baby and you will have a CPS case. And when you're released from SafeP, that's what will happen. You will have to do parenting classes and everything else that's required of you. And when you have somebody, if you have your mom or whoever it is to come pick up your child at the prison, they will make a determination on whether or not that person is appropriate or not. All right. So the court will deny the motion. Alter and amend conditions to include SafeP. Probation, is there anything you recommend other than SafeP? I'm sorry, what? All right, so there'll be SafeP, and that's, of course, is in custody. And then it is 9 months. And you have to wait. What's the wait time for SafeP? I'm sorry, what? All right, so usually the wait time for SafeP normally is 3 months. So you'll be waiting at the jail for 3 months, then they'll transfer you to SafeP and you'll be there for 9 months. All right, so the court is going to deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to include SafeP. Once she is released from SafeP, she's to be placed on the MIC caseload, and there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors, field visits until further notice. She's to complete parenting classes. Court will take in consideration JN 7143967 and 2025 CC 011626. All right. Is there anything else?
Nothing from us, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.